if you want to stand this up, then you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's a stand for a phone. You can probably use it with the tablet too, but one of the things I realized here is that I use my phone to watch videos more than I probably should, but I use it like a second screen almost with my laptop. So if I've got my computer set up here, I like having videos just playing, live streaming something, catching up on old TV shows, whatever. But if I have it way down here on the table, it doesn't do me any good. I really like it up here so that it's kind of in the line of sight with my computer. So I picked this up because this little phone stand is different than some of the other phone stands in that it has some height, some elevation. So looks like we actually get it in pieces here, so we'll have to do a little assemblage, which is French for assembly. First of all, we get a base, and it looks like we have this little aluminum cover kind of on the top here. It's pretty thin, but it is a nice, somewhat bead blasted, like aluminum finish. It's got quite a bit of shine to it. And then the base here is all plastic, and it actually tapers back to front just a little bit, and there seems to be something heavy in there. I would just assume like a steel plate or something to weight it down. Then we have some little silicone feet here, which should keep it from sliding around, and then we have a little post receiver here for the other piece, which is the part that holds the phone. What you can see here is we have, again, a little aluminized post there. Kind of reminds me of a sailboat boom, just like that. It's hollow. And then on this side, we have kind of a standard hook holder for a phone. So we've got a couple little hooks under there. This whole gray piece right here is nice, grippy, soft silicone, which is nice. You can see we have little silver covers on the things. Gives it a nice look. The white here is kind of just a standard plastic. But then you can see how the post will extend, and then we have another aluminized post in there. So if I were to collapse this down, I would call that, well, probably about 7 inches tall. But if I extendo that sucker, now I'd say that's about 8 or 9 inches tall. So all we have to do is put that in here. One of the things that I'm a little worried about is that it doesn't take a lot of muscle to move this up and down. So if you have something heavy, I don't know. I feel like it would kind of collapse it back down, but I guess it would have to be pretty heavy. So if I just take my phone here, and this is a dummy phone, but it's got the same weight as a regular iPhone. Yeah, holds it up no problem. You can see right there. Actually, I have to put some pretty decent weight on it. So here's a telescope. Look at that. That's quite a bit heavier than the phone, and that's not moving it around. So if you want to put your phone up at eye level, I'm going to tilt it however you need it, up, down at you. Oop, can't be too vertical. It's going to have a little bit of an angle so it doesn't flop off there. But if you want to have it raised up so that you can see it a little bit better, you can even adjust it up or down or anywhere in between, just like that. Then I think you need a stand like this. It's better than just the stands that sit down flush on the table. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.